Hey, welcome to our video of directions for today. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are in your correct classroom and you're looking at the right assignment. So we are in week 3, South America colonization. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your notes are finished from Tuesday. So click on Tuesday, fill in notes, view assignment. And from there, remember, yours looks different. So your notes are going to be in the middle right, kind of where my mouse is, right on my screen. And it's blank for me, but you should see something. And click on your Google Doc notes. Just make sure that they are filled in. Okay? Once they are filled in, then you can move on to Wednesday. But if you are still working on the notes, stop the video. You can leave the tab open for the YouTube, or that doesn't work like that in Classroom. Never mind. Stop the video, come back to this video when you're finished, okay? So if you're still watching this video, then you are ready to do the assignment, the next assignment for Wednesday. And so you're going back to week 3, South America colonization. Click on Wednesday, and view assignment. So this is what this will look like for you. Again, we've got our directions. Make sure that your notes are finished. So if your notes are not finished, stop and do the notes, okay? Your notes must be finished before moving on. Second, use the reading passage to answer the questions in the slide deck. Forget what to do. Hopefully this video will be in here for you to watch. So first things first, go ahead and open the 2 documents. Remember, mine are going to open here. Yours are going to be in the middle right. And you are going to see a Google Doc and a Google Slide. So the Google Doc looks like this. It's about Hernan Cortez and the Spanish colonization of Mexico. Your Google Slide looks like this. Before you move further, stop, and we are splitting your screen. There we go. I recommend having your Google Notes on your left and your Google Slide on your right. So it would look like this. And then you can even take your cursor to this side and drag it over so that you have a little bit more room on the Google document for your reading passage. Now this is what I want you to notice. With each paragraph underneath it is a highlighted stop. This is where you're going to stop and answer a question on your Google slide. So let's take a look at our Google slide. Our title, Colonization of South America. Name, this is where you write your name, date, and homeroom teacher. Remember, this is your own copy, so this is where you are writing your name. Okay, so after you're finished with this, then you can go click on slide 2, and we'll look at our reading passage, which is the Google Doc. Okay, Hernan Cortez was born in Spain in 1485. His parents wanted him to become a lawyer and sent him to school to study law when he was 14. Cortez was not interested in becoming a lawyer. He heard of Christopher Columbus's discoveries in the New World and wanted to travel to see new lands, make fortune, and become famous. Stop. Answer slide 2. So now you go to the Google slide, and I already gave the answer in a previous video I made. So yours won't look like that. Yours will look like this. Nope, it won't look like that either. Sorry. Yours will look like that. Right, you'll have a blank line underneath, and then you use your reading article to answer this question. So why did Hernan Cortez want to be an explorer? Hernan Cortez wanted to be an explorer because, and then you just double click that line and type your answer. He wanted to travel and see new lands, make money, and be famous. Okay, that's it. Okay, once you've finished answering that question, then you go back to the reading article. Again, have it side by side. It makes it much easier instead of flipping through different tabs, side by side. Then you continue on, stop to answer slide 3. After landing in Hispaniola, Cortez joined Diego Velázquez on an expedition or journey to Cuba in 1511. When Velázquez conquered Cuba, he became governor. Velázquez liked Cortez and helped Cortez rise in government. 2, or so stop, answer slide 3, right? We are in slide 3. Insert a picture of a map of Cuba and Hispaniola in the spaces below. So I already did a Cuba example here. So if you forgot how to insert a picture, you just go to Insert, Image, search the web. Let's do Hispaniola for this one. And you can choose any one you want, just double click it. It's going to show up kind of big. From there, you shrink it and drag it to where it should go. Okay, so that's all you're doing. You're just going back and forth between the reading passage and then just answering a question. It's just a check for comprehension. If you need help, please let me know in the chat. I need help, okay? From there, I will go in and I will help you unless you were absent and you're not doing the Google Meet and you're just watching this on your own. In which case, let me know if you need help when I see you probably tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know again if you need help. I'm here for you.